Which among the following defines blood pressure in the pulmonary artery? Pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle of the heart to the lungs for oxygenation. Now, coming to the options given here, option A, same as that in aorta. This is incorrect because the aorta carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle and has much higher pressure than the pulmonary artery. The pressure in the pulmonary artery is lower because it is a part of the pulmonary circulation, which is low resistance circuit compared to the systemic circulation. So option A is an incorrect answer. Option B, more than that in the carotid. So carotid artery carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the head and has a higher blood pressure. But the pressure in the pulmonary artery is lower compared to systemic arteries like the carotid. So option B is also incorrect. Option C, more than that in the pulmonary vein. This is true, as the blood leaves the right ventricle and then enters the pulmonary artery, the pressure is higher compared to the pressure in the pulmonary veins, which have lower pressure as they return blood to the heart. So option C will be the correct answer. Option D, less than that in the vena cava. This is also incorrect answer. The vena cava carries deoxygenated blood from the body back to the heart, and the pressure in the vena cava is very low, much lower than the pressure in the pulmonary artery. So the correct answer is option C.